Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Question number 15. Write the Oparin and Haldane's hypothesis about the origin of life on Earth. How does meteorite analysis favor this hypothesis? Oparin and Haldane ने propose किया था that first form of life came from pre-existing non-living organic molecule, which was preceded by chemical evolution. Non-living organic molecules RNA proteins थे and chemical evolution से क्या preceded by formation of diverse organic molecules from inorganic constituent. Meteorite analysis ने reveal किया that similar compounds like sugars, amino acid, nitrogen bases, pigments, fats ये भी present थे meteorites में. This was question number 15.